For the first time ever, a gay Jewish man has been elected president of the United States. This is Wide Awake Now. Abraham Stein won the election by one state, and that very state is Kansas. So many people are happy. They've been dreaming of this day for decades, for years. And the two might be the most thrilled are Duncan and Jimmy, two boys in a relationship who have been in the trenches fighting for Stein since the beginning, urging people to vote for him. Parties are being held across the country announcing the victory. But with politics, someone is always unhappy. And the opposition claimed that there must be a recount. Stein obviously won fair and square. Plus he won the popular vote by 3 million. So there's no way there should be a change, right? Well, with pressure from his party, the governor of Kansas demands a recount. And things aren't looking too good for Stein. The governor sets false and unjust parameters to put into effect to ensure that Abraham loses. Jimmy, Duncan, and all their friends, and millions of Americans are so unhappy, and they're urged to take to Topeka, Kansas, and peacefully protest for Abraham Stein. Love is on the line, freedom is on the line, and there are so many twists and turns along this reimagining of David Levithan's immensely popular novel, Wide Awake. Read David Levithan's Wide Awake now to find out what happens now in this truly powerful story. David Levithan crafted a beautiful and truly realistic story for readers with curious and fierce eyes. Wide Awake Now is a story of togetherness, of unity. Together strong is the message I received from this impactful book. Hundreds of thousands came together for the good of the country, for the good of the world. While we have yet to have a gay or Jewish president, there are so many signs of growing governmental diversity in the world. But, like touched upon as well, there is always hate and unkindness. We need to combat the hate with our voices, our eyes, our minds. Duncan, Jimmy, and their friends, and Wide Awake Now as a whole, is just the beginning. It is just one landmark on the road to freedom and justice. Together strong, read Wide Awake Now, a beautiful and touching tale that you are sure to love and cherish.